Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create alerts in the Splunk Dashboard. Alerts help you monitor important events and take action automatically when specific conditions occur. First, log into your Splunk account and navigate to the dashboard where you want to monitor data. Next, select the panel or search query you want to create an alert for. Make sure the query returns the results you expect, because the alert will trigger based on these results. Then, click on the Save As button and choose Alert from the drop-down menu. Give your alert a meaningful name and set the alert conditions. You can choose to trigger the alert based on the number of results, a specific threshold, or other criteria relevant to your data. Decide how often the alert should check for the conditions, whether in real time, on a schedule, or after each search run. Next, configure the alert actions. You can send an email, trigger a webhook, or integrate with other tools to respond automatically when the alert fires. Finally, review your settings and click Save. Your alert is now active and will notify you whenever the specified conditions are met. And that's it. Creating alerts in Splunk is a powerful way to stay on top of your data and respond quickly to important events. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.